YouTube monetization includes a number of procedures and persistent work. Although it's not a get-rich-quick plan, you might be able to make money using the platform with commitment and perseverance. The following are the essential steps to begin making money from your YouTube channel. 1. Make a YouTube channel. If you don't already have one, make one by signing up for a YouTube account. Pick a market or subject that interests you and for which you can consistently provide material. 2. Tieristing, professional videos that appeal to your target market. Be reliable with your uploads to keep viewers interested and returning for more. 3. Allow monetization. You can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, once you have satisfied YouTube's eligibility conditions. The primary qualifications include having 4,000 watch hours and at least 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months. You can enable video monetization once it has been approved. 4. Ad money. Your films will contain advertisements, and based on variables like viewership and interaction, you will receive a portion of the ad money. 5. Channel memberships. If you join YPP, you can provide your subscribers access to your channel. They can do this to gain access to premium features like badges, emojis, and exclusive material by paying a monthly charge. 6. Super chats and super stickers. If you live stream, your viewers can buy super chats or super stickers to draw attention to their messages, and you'll get a cut of the money. 7. Merchandising shelf. By integrating the merchandising shelf, you can advertise and sell your branded goods on your channel. 8. YouTube Premium income. Depending on how much time YouTube Premium users spend watching your videos, you may receive a share of their monthly price. 9. Sponsored content and brand deals. As your channel expands, brand deals and sponsorships may become available. You might get paid by businesses to advertise their goods or services in your films. 10. Affiliate marketing. You can sign up for affiliate networks and include affiliate links to the descriptions of your videos. You will receive a commission when customers use those links to make purchases. 11. Fan money and crowd fundraising. Some creators let their fans directly fund them through crowdfunding websites like Patreon or Kickstarter. Keep in mind that creating a profitable YouTube channel requires time and work. Put your attention into producing informative and interesting content, communicating with your audience, and improving your videos over time. To prevent any breaches that can have an impact on your revenue, you should also be aware of YouTube's monetization policies and guidelines. I appreciate you watching the video.